Ashley, can you put the magnets back? Can you put them back on the refrigerator? Good job. Uh-oh. Okay, let's put them back. Can you make a match? Good job. Oh, you've got part of the cow. Caleb, I don't think Ashley wants you to help. Oh, is that how you take it away? You just take it off the refrigerator? Ashley, we don't push. No pushing. Okay. Poor Caleb, he tried to steal Ashley's toy and she wouldn't let him. She's gonna put her magnets back. Can you find the other part of the cow? No, that's not it. Oh, you're gonna do the pig then. Okay, can you find the other part of the pig? Pink pig. Welcome to my world.